Hi guys, so I colored my hair in December and this is how it looks right now. It used to be much more longer but I chopped it off and I wanted to change the color because it's been too long with the same hair color, and that's when I got to know about Manic Panic. These are like really good and pigmented colors, at least that's what I've heard online and all the reviews. So I got the color in shade Plum Passion, and the rest of the things which we will require for this DIY will be mentioned in the description. Before doing the coloring, let me just put a disclaimer out there that if your hair is not bleached or lightened like mine is, then you won't be able to see any results with this hair color because these are meant for pre-lightened hair colors only. I already did like a strand test to see how much pigmentation this color gives, so you might see some shades of purple on this side of my hair while doing the DIY. So let's just get into the DIY now.
2,000 years later.
So I am done with my hair color. I'm going to keep this for 45 minutes and it surely stains a lot. Like it's everywhere on my neck and my hands. Surprisingly, this color doesn't really smell anything. It's a vegan dye, so there's no chemical smell. You might feel that there's a weird kind of smell. You might not like it, but I did not find it to be that strong of a fragrance, so it was not really a problem for me.
1 hour later.
So that's how my hair looks right now. I used Manic Panic's Plum Passion. I finished almost half the bottle. So if you want to cover your entire hair, then you might need more than this one bottle. And I had to apply it 2 times because the first time I had left a few patches here and there. So I did it 2 times. So in total I kept the color for almost 2 hours, and it did not really dry out my hair like most of the chemical dyes available in the market do. If you want to buy the same color, I'll leave a link in the description box below. It is available at Amazon, but there are many listings of Manic Panic from different sellers, so I'll just link down below the one which I ordered from, and you can buy that. It has around 6 to 7 different color shades available, so you can choose whichever whichever color you want. Also, you need to remember that your hair needs to be pre-lightened before you use these kind of colors, because then only it will be visible on your hair. And I'll be doing a detailed review on Manic Panic on my IGTV after like 1 or 2 weeks to just check how the color lasts and if it fades or not. So I'll leave the link of that as well in the description. So yeah, that's it for today.